Red Project, Gravity Assisted Pulse Motor Update. Completed the artwork for the new pendulum drive delay on 555 timer circuit. This is the schematic for the 555 delay on time to drive the pendulum. Was taken off the internet. I modified the circuit by adding a variable resistor so I could adjust the time, and I changed the capacitor value so it will delay on time, or the delay at the beginning when it first receives power is could be a maximum of 1 second, and so as the pendulum swings down and engages the contact switch or Hall effect sensor, I can adjust the timing to allow the magnet to pass the electromagnet, and then turn on the electromagnet so it doesn't impede its progress, so it gives it a little push at the right time. And when we turn the power on, there's a delay. And we can adjust that to, we can reduce the delay on time to a point where it's, it happens so fast you can't even see it without a scope. Yeah, see. So there you go. So this is just to verify that the circuit's working, and it'll be a day or two before I upload the Gerber files and cut the new circuit board. There we go. So cool. Power on, delay, and then then it triggers. Thanks for watching.